Hello everybody, just a quick video. It's there's a clock. Yeah, it's now come up to 7:30. Crikey! I only just chucked some birds out. Just put some young birds out. They were way over there a minute ago. There they are. They've just joined up. I put the white ones out earlier, the prints out earlier, a little bit earlier, and I've just chucked out the blues and reds. They're coming over the loft. Well, they're coming over the house now, look. There they are. And the prints are there just below them. They just flew the other way, the prints. They might join up. I don't know if they will or they won't. I've been flying them separate, so they're not at the same fitness level. But oh, there you go. You can see the prints are lower, and then ones are up higher. That's what happens when you fly them separately. They're not at the same fitness, and these ones fly different style anyway. These ones fly higher, although the prints have flown higher in past flights, but. There we go. I've actually put these out so that I've got to start training these to drop to the dark, drop to the light. So it's getting a bit dusky now, about 9:30, and we've got to get these used to the lights. They went out yesterday. They flew for 4 hours yesterday, the blues and reds. Then I had them back on the loft at 9:20, dusk, feeding on top of the loft with the lights on and the droppers out. Yeah, they might join up eventually. Yeah, there they go. They're gone. Right. Hope everybody's well. There you go. They joined. I lost one the other day, might have been Friday. Yeah, it was Friday. I got home from work, I chucked the blues and reds out, 4 o'clock, went off to do another job, come home, dropped them, and there was one missing. So, Percy, the peregrine, obviously went into and nicked one out. It's not been back, it's not come back. But hey ho, we've still got all them. I've got 2 more in the nest, just hatched. Where are we? They won't focus. I've got 2, no, you can't see nothing. I've got 2 reds just hatched in the top corner box, and I've just paired up. The last 2 pairs I've paired up. Actually, I paired up pure Macclesfield cock to a pure Macclesfield hen, and underneath I put a print hen to a pilot print cockbird. Just to use up the last of the rings, if I get around off them or not, I don't know. Yeah, beautiful flying conditions lately. I had the cockbirds out the other day, Thursday. They flew for 12 hours. 7:30 I chucked them up. I got down at 7:30 in the evening. Then, like I said, the young reds and blues went out on Friday, and then Saturday I put 6 hens up, and they went for 10 hours. Actually, I got them in a little while ago. The hens, I had them back in today, and they done only 4 hours, and then they were attacked by the peregrine. Safe and sound. Right, thanks for watching. If you have, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We want to hit 5k by the end of the year. Okay, bye for now.